Move the carriage away. Unscrew the screws and remove the ink station cover. Unscrew the screws of the ink pad that needs to be replaced. Disconnect the ink tubes of the ink pad. Prepare the new ink pad. Reconnect the ink tubes. Align the holes and place the ink pad. Tighten the screws. Align the holes and place the ink station cover. Tighten the screws. Move the carriage to home.